clapping. Pop that pussy for my niggas, don't be acting. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, ayy. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, ayy. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet. Let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, let's get ratchet, ayy. Big ol' booty, get it clapping. Finesse these niggas out them dollars, that's a talent. I want some money, but what's happening? Don't want no nigga who be acting, who be capping. I'm on some real ratchet shit. Pull up to your crib, spoke about everything, tell my niggas where it is. I be showing my ass, they bad, huh? Bitches is better, they thought it was shit. I'm sudden they speaking, damn one. Talking out of the nails, I'm knocking out teeth. I pop shit, they went pop. They bought Birkins, I bought stock. They still on the boat, I'm on the yacht. They taking shots, I'm taking spots. I see the shade, then they get blocked. They see the chain, then they went blind. Yeah, I know I'm different, I'm one of a kind. I took off on bitches and leave them behind. How do you hate me if I'm on your mind? Sending me messages every time. Bitches is messy, but I'm petty. Don't gotta edit, check the get it. I keep it real, I keep it sexy. Holla for backup before they address me. Hoes do all of that typing, but never once did I get pressed. It's obvious bitches obsessed. If it's fuck me, then we having sex. If I pop back, then they go. Bitch, your time up.